Today, formula for radioactivity to solve some problems. Okay, I explain first formulas. First law, Rutherford-Soddy law. What is the Rutherford-Soddy law? Rate of decay of atoms is depends upon the number of atoms present at that instant. This minus indicate decrease in the atoms. What is the formula for dN by dt? Minus lambda into n. Okay. Here, according to Rutherford-Soddy law, it can explain. Next, Rutherford exponential law. What is the Rutherford exponential law? N equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Okay. Next formula, half-life. Half-life formula is 0.693 by lambda. Average life formula, tau equal to 1 by lambda. What is the half-life and average life relation? T of equal to 0.693 into tau. Here 0.693 nearly write as 0.7 to solve the problems. Okay. Here next shortcut formula to solve the problems. Shortcut formula n equal to n naught 1 by 2 power n. Here, look here now. This formula I can explain. This is shortcut formula to solve half-life problems. Okay. Here n ante here n ante number of atoms present. N naught indicate initial number of atoms. Small n indicate number of half-lives. Small n indicate number of half-lives. Small n indicate number of half-lives. Small n write as here t by t of. T means time. Here t of means half-life. Once again repeat nana. Here n equal to t by t of. N equal to t by t of nana. What is the shortcut formula to solve the half-life formula problems? N equal to n naught into 1 by 2 power n. 2 power n. Here small n indicate t by t of. T by t of nana. Nana here next nana here that can be write as n by n naught nana equal to 1 by 2 power n. Here n by n naught is called fraction of atoms present. Fraction of atoms present at that instant. Both side I take 1 nana. Here 1 minus n by n naught. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. It neatly write as n naught minus n by n naught equal to 1 minus 2 power n. This is called fraction of atoms. Fraction of atoms decay. Fraction of atoms decay. What is the formula? 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Here small n value t by t of. What is the fraction of atoms present formula? 1 by 2 power n. Percentage means both side multiplied by 100. Fraction will be converted to percentage. Both side multiplied by 100. Once again I repeat, fraction of atoms present at that instant, direct formula 1 by 2 power n. Next, fraction of atoms decay formula 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Percentage both side multiplied by 100. Okay. Next, continuation of problems nana. Nana, I discuss some model problems. Nana. Here, half life is given Nana, 14 minutes. Minute means 60 seconds. Completed. Find decay constant. Nana. This is the question. We know the relation between half life and decay constant. What is the formula? T of equal to 0.693 by lambda. Okay? Here 0.693 by lambda. Here lambda can be determined. T of is given 14 into 60. Here neatly calculate 14 into 60 equal to 0.693 right as 7, nearly 7 into 10 power minus 1 in by lambda. 7 how many times? 2 times. Lambda equal to 1 by 120 into 10 power minus 1. Approximately it can be calculated 8.5 into 10 power minus 4. Here to solve easily. Here next one, here unit. What is the unit of lambda? T and lambda inversely. T units second. Lambda units is inversely kabatti 1 by d kada second pike vatte second inverse. What is the decay constant unit? Second inverse. Here next another model is half life is given 100 microseconds. Here the time taken for radioactivity of the sample decay to 1 by 16th of initial value. That means initially N0 is there, now N0 by 16 is there. This is the question. Initially N0, now N0 by 16 becomes N0 by 16. Question. Find how much time taken. In this problem, I solve two methods now. One method is directly here N0. It becomes N0 by 2. This time is called half life. Half life means half. It becomes half. The substance becomes half. Another half life N0 by 2 becomes in this part half N0 by 4. Next half life N0 by 4 becomes N0 by 8 half none. Next another half life N0 by 16. That means N0 becomes N0 by 16. How many half lives are required? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means total time equal to 4 into half lives. That means T of plus T of plus T of plus T of. 4 half lives are required. 4 into what is the T of value in the question? 100. 4 into 100 equal to 1400 total time is required. That means I explain second method Nana. I explain second method. In the second method, I discuss second method shortcut formula for to solving the half-life problems. I give n equal to n0 1 by 2 power n. Here small n indicate t by t of. Okay. Here the question is n. Now the atoms is n0 by 16. Initially n0 is n0. Now n0 by 16. Here 1 by 2 power n. n0 cancel. Here 1 by 16 write as 1 by 2 power 4. Here 1 by 2 power n. Will get n value becomes 4 nana. But here n is write as t by t of equal to 4. Here t equal to 4 into t of. Here 4 into what is the half life is given in the problem 100. 4 into 100 400. In this method, this is different method. This is the formula used method. Formula used method is always accurate method. Next problem, Nana. Next problem I discuss, Nana. You look here. Next, Nana, third problem. Initially 256 gram is there. Finally 1 gram is there. 256 gram becomes 1 gram. Here half life is given 12.5 Nana. 12.5 seconds is given. Find total time. 256 gram becomes 1 gram. Nana, I solve in this problem by using arrow method. Nana. Here 256, half life 128, half life 64, half life 32, half life 16, half life 8, half life 4, half life 2, half life 1. That means 256 becomes 1. How many half lives required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means total time equal to 8 into T of Nana. 8 into each T of is given 12.5 seconds. 12.5 into 8, 100 seconds. This problem also I solve second method, Nana. To see the second method, the problem here, look here. Look here, Nana. Look here. Second method, Nana. Formula. What is the shortcut formula? N naught 1 by 2 power n. Here, look here. Here, initially 256 gram is there. Finally, 1 gram is there. N naught is initial. N is final. That means now 1 gram is there. 1 by 2 power n. 256 other side, 1 by 256 write as 2 power 8, here 2 power n. Comparison of equation, n value becomes a. N write as t by t of equal to 8. T equal to 8 into t of. Here 8 into t of is 12.5. 12.5 into 8. This can be calculated 100. Okay? Nana, next Nana, I give one problem, Nana, to see here. I solve another problem, Nana, fourth problem. To see here. The question is 1 mole of radium. 1 mole of radium activity denoted by A. A is called dN by dt. dN by dt is given 1 by 3.7 kilo curie. Find the decay constant denoted by lambda. This is the question. Here 1 mole of radium activity is given. Find decay constant. Now a small doubt, Nana. Here dN by dt is equal to 1 by 3.7 given kilo 10 power 3. Curie is the other unit, Nana. 1 curie and we know that 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. 3.7 to solve. Finally we get 10 power 13 disintegration per second. That means it will be converted into SI unit. Completed. We know that Rutherford-Soddy law. What is the Rutherford-Soddy law? Activity equal to lambda into n. Here not taken minus. Minus indicate decrease the atoms. Here now dN by dt value we get 10 power 13 equal to find lambda. Pakkana n. N and number of atoms. Here the substance is 1 mole and according to chemistry 1 mole of substance contain Avogadro number of atoms. So that's why Avogadro number of atoms is 6 into 10 power 23. 1 mole of substance contain Avogadro number of atoms. Here according to this value, here denominator other side, numerator other side denominator 10 power 13 by 6 into 10 power 23. Neatly it calculate 1 by 6 into 10 power minus 10. This is another model now. Okay? Now next model now. Fifth problem. Here half-life is given 12.5 years. Total time is given 25 years. Question is fraction of sample, fraction of atoms present. We know fraction of atoms present formula n by n naught equal to 1 by 2 power n. Here fraction of atoms present formula is 1 by 2 power n. N is here T by T of. Here 1 by 2 power T value 25 by 12.5. You get 2 square. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. In this method, second method I solve in the problem. Initially, n naught it becomes half-life n naught by 2. Another half-life n naught by 4. Half-life time is 12.5 years. Here 12.5. Total how many years? 25 years. After 25 years, it becomes present 1 by 4. 1 by 4. It present. Arrow's method also to solve. Okay. Next problem, Nana. Next problem. Sixth problem, Nana. Look here, Nana. Look here. Initially, 100% is there. 100% is there. Okay? 100% is there. Initially, 100% is there. Its half-life is 5 days. After 20 days, how much percentage remain? How much percentage remain? After 5 days, 100% becomes same out. No, 1 minute. Sorry. The question is wrong to way. Here, in the 5 days, only 10% decay. Mana cheptunna question mottham vinandi okasari. 10% of radioactive material decay in 5 days. Once again repeat. 10% of radioactive material decay in 5 seconds. The percentage of original material left after 20 days. Generally, 100% is initial. Em ivaledante 100%. 5 days lo it becomes enta ayindannadu vaadu 90% annadu. 90% అంటే ఎంత తగ్గింది 10%. మరి 20 days లో ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్నాడు. అంతే కదా. ఇది చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ 5 days 90 ఇప్పుడు 100 becomes ఎంత అయింది 90 అంటే ఎంత తగ్గింది 10. ఆఫ్టర్ 5 days దీంట్లో 10 తగ్గాలి. 90లో 10 అంటే 9. సో నా తీసేయడమే. 90లో 9 పోతే ఎంత అవుతుంది 81% వస్తుంది. అనదర్ 5 days 81%లో 10% రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. 81%లో 10% అంటే 8.1. 81 minus 8.1 72.9%. Another 5 days it becomes 72.9 minus 7.29. It finally we get 65.8%. Nana దీంట్లో 10% తీసారు. 10% అంటే పాయింట్ డెసిమల్ మారుతుంది 7.29. 72.9 minus 7.29 it becomes finally 65.8%. అంటే 5 days. After 20 days it becomes how much now? 65.8% becomes 8%, 65.8% becomes. Nana, one more model here, look here, 7th chala important nana idi chudandi. Here to give A1, A2, last problem nana today, A3. Here given, here beta, here alpha, here also alpha. Nana, A3 is given. A3 mass number is given 172 and 69. Find the mass number and atomic number of the A. Nana, small doubt. Alpha decay and atomic number decreases by 2. Mass number decreases by 4. Nana, left to right చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడు రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ వెళ్తున్నాం నానా ఇప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా అంటే అటామిక్ నెంబర్ డిక్రీజెస్ బై 2 ఇటు వెళ్తే అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ బై 2 69 బికమ్స్ ఏమవుతుంది 72 ఇటు వెళ్తే మాస్ నెంబర్ డిక్రీజెస్ బై 4 ఇటు వస్తే మాస్ నెంబర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ బై 4 ఇదిగో నాన్న 176 అయిపోయింది దిస్ ఆల్సో ఆల్ఫా డికే సో ఇనన రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ వెళ్తుంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి అటామిక్ నెంబర్ 2 ఇంక్రీజెస్ 73 mass number 4 increases 180. Okay, in the beta decay, beta ante electron meek itla left to right chepa indaka atomic number increases by 1 it elte atomic number decreases by 1 decreases by 1 ante enta 72 mass number does not change 180 ante finally atomic number adigadu mass number adigadu what is the A atomic number 72 mass number enta 180 now once again I check alpha decay ante left to right వెళ్తుంటే left to right atomic number decreases by 2 mass number decreases by 4 right to left వెళ్తుంటే atomic number increases by 2 mass number increases by 4 beta decay ante mass number does not change in any case but atomic number left to right increases by 1 right to left atomic number decreases by 1 gamma decay mass number atomic number does not change only energy state will be changed gamma ray is nothing but the photon it's not a particle it is simply called as electromagnetic wave highest frequency lowest wavelength okay this is the concept today complete the class tomorrow I discuss some more models okay